Hey you guys, what is up? So today we are in for a treat. We're going to be trying out a new foundation, and that is the Urban Decay Face Bond Triple Action Foundation. We're also going to be doing a little makeup tutorial using an old favorite. This is the Born to Run palette by Urban Decay. So if you would like to see a little try on of this foundation right here, as well as a little makeup tutorial dipping into an old favorite, then just stay tuned. Before we get started with the makeup tutorial and the foundation try on, I wanted to do a little screen grab of their website to show you guys, because any and every question that you may have about this foundation can be answered here. It is so informative, you guys, and Urban Decay did a great job. This has a vegan formula. It's ultra thin and lightweight with a medium buildable coverage and a natural matte finish. There are 40 shades, you guys, and they also have a cool AI shade finder on the website. So if you're not sure what shade you're going to be, you can take a picture of your skin and it will match it for you. This foundation is formulated with 3% niacinamide, so it's got the skincare benefits of a serum. It's instant skin blurring, won't clog the pores, it's self-setting, and will absorb oil and sweat, which means it's also waterproof, humidity-proof, sweat-proof, smudge and transfer resistant as well. So I thought that this was really cool. This is an undertone wheel. Sometimes a foundation won't match you completely, and it's because of your undertone. So here it kind of breaks down all the undertones. Cool undertones burn easily in the sun with blue-purple veins. Neutral undertones burn then tan in the sun with blue-green veins. Warm undertones less likely to burn in the sun with green veins. And olive undertones less likely to burn in the sun with teal blue and green veins. So not only does this foundation come in 40 shades, which I'm showing you right now, but it is also 24-hour wear, and it also has a patent pending precision dropper for no mess application. Without further ado, let's jump into the makeup tutorial using an old favorite of mine, the Born to Run palette by Urban Decay, and then later we will jump into the try on of the new Face Bond foundation. Okay, I'm taking the shade Punk, and we are just going to put that right in here. Now I'm going in with the shade Baja, and I'm just going to blend that right above Punk. Does anybody else dip into their old palettes that are probably way too old to be using? Or is it just me? This is one of my favorite palettes by Urban Decay. They have so many great ones, but this is definitely up there as a favorite of mine from this brand. Then to finish off this area, I'm going to go in with Still Shot and just blend that out. All right, so now I'm going to take Drift, Radio, and Big Sky, and those are all going to go up here kind of winging out. And then right here underneath those blue grays, we're going to put Wanderlust, and that's all going to kind of fade out together. All right, now I'm going to go in with a little bit of Guilt Trip and just place that right in there next to that green. I'm not taking it all the way down onto my lid. I'm kind of keeping it more up. And then I'm going to go in with Wild Heart. And now I'm taking a little bit of Stranded, and that is going right on that lid space. Now, I know this looks kind of messy as of right now, but when we go in with all of our Urban Decay liners, it's going to get cleaned up quite a bit and look very, very sharp. So we are going to be using the Urban Decay 24/7 inks, and I love these, you guys. So we have the shade High Energy. We've got the shade Binge, the shade Deep End, and then the black, which is called Zero. And I am just going to be applying those all to my eye, kind of outlining things, creating some shapes, and yeah, making this a Thebriabeauty kind of look. All right, so now I am taking Sweet Prince and Money Please by Half Magic Beauty. These are the glitter pills. I'm just putting a little bit of Sweet Prince up there on that pinky purple, just a little bit, and then we're gonna take Money Please and put it on that bronzy gold shade. Right in there like so. I am even going to diffuse those a little bit just because I don't want them to be extremely saturated over that shadow. I just wanted a little bit of glitzy glitter. Now for the moment that we've all been waiting for, and it is inside this box. Urban Decay was kind enough to send this over, and inside we have the new Face Bond Triple Power Foundation. We've got a little sponge here, the all-nighter long-lasting makeup setting spray, and some cute little hair clips. I recently just saw a video of Desi Perkins wearing this, and you guys, her skin looked flawless. So I am so excited to try this out. Okay, so first what I'm going to do is just going to pin my hair back using these cute little Urban Decay clips. I don't want to be getting foundation in my hair. Looks like they sent me 10 light neutral, so we'll see if this matches my skin. So here is what it looks like right out of the box. And let's see. Oh, it just pops right off, and there is that no mess, no waste tip. All right, so I did dampen this beauty sponge, and it did puff up twice its normal size. So yeah, here goes nothing, you guys. I'm excited. I'm scared, but I'm excited. I'm wondering, do I want to put it on my skin or do I want to put it on the sponge? I'll put it on my skin. Ooh. Love that applicator. Wow. Okay. Do I want to use a brush first? Let's just go right in with the sponge. I think I'm going to apply a little bit more, and I'm going to just kind of blend that out with like a little paddle brush first. And then we'll go and blend in with that sponge because I feel like it kind of soaked up a little bit of the product. And that's not what we want. But I can already tell that the finish on this is really pretty. Kind of looks like your skin, you know? It doesn't look like you've got anything on. So what are we thinking, guys? It looks really nice. And it is transfer proof. Wow. And as you can see, it's not like super shiny, so it is setting itself like it says. It doesn't look dry on the skin. It looks kind of a little bit luminous. All right, so since this is a self-setting kind of foundation, you are gonna wanna work quick with this before it starts to dry down on you. And also start with a very moisturized base. I could kind of see that, I could kind of see how for my dry skin girlies, this could kind of maybe latch onto those drier spots. My nose is a little bit more drier as of lately than it normally tends to be, just because I've had my allergies and, you know, blowing my nose and stuff. So yeah, my nose around this area looks a little more drier than my actual face. But yeah, I'm liking it so far. And yeah, doesn't feel sticky. There's nothing on my hands. It is definitely transfer proof. And I like how I don't need to set my face. It's just, it eliminates a whole other step completely. Okay, so I went ahead and applied some cream bronzer and some cream blush. And you guys, I am loving this foundation. I was excited to try it, but I wasn't sure how it was going to do on my skin texture. I have a lot of pores, and yeah. Pores who? Pores where? I am very, very interested to see how this is going to wear on the skin for a few more hours. And yeah, I can definitely see this being a regular foundation routine product for me. It lays really, really pretty on the skin. It looks like I don't have barely any makeup on. I mean, obviously eye makeup, but you know what I mean? Like face makeup. Like it looks like, I don't know, just looks very natural, and it's just a very, very pretty finish. We are going to set the deal with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray really, really quick, just so I can lock that look and that makeup into place. But yeah, you guys, let me know down in the comments below if you will be picking up the Urban Decay Face Bond Triple Power Foundation. I just want to say a big thank you to Urban Decay for sending me these products to try, and thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.